Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix insufficient storage space error in your iPhone. To fix this, first of all, what you need to do is go into your settings and hit on General. Then go through the iPhone storage and then you have to delete all the unused app. Here you will see which app you have used latest and which you haven't used since a while. Then you can delete the unused app easily by clicking the app and clicking on delete the app. For now, I'm going to delete one unused app. Then the next step you need to do is go through the recommendation and try to delete or remove any files or documents. By doing this will solve your issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.